everyone, this is Hina Adhikari. Welcome in our today's mathematics class. Student, as you know, we have started chapter number 4, practical geometry, which is very simple topic, which is very simple chapter. In this, we need to understand the equation, what is being given to you, and follow the steps. That's it. Okay. Now today we are going to do 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5. All three exercises. Why you will think? Because less number of questions we are having in the exercise. Only 2-3 questions in 4.3, 4.4 only 2 questions, and 4.5 is just a revision type of exercise. Means जो भी क्वेश्चन हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो, दिस इज जस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन. हर एक टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन उस 4.5 में है. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी आर कंप्लीटिंग दिस एक्सरसाइज टुडे. Right, student? And I hope that you feel means nice, you feel very interest to do these types of question. Right, student? Now, but before starting the exercise question, let's introduce some topics which we have already done in our previous class 7, class 6. Student, what is that? Do you know how to make an angle with the help of compass? Yes, I know most of the students are knowing, but just take a quick look on the this topic, that is, if we have to make angle of 90 degree with the help of compass, what steps we have to follow? First of all, make a line, then make an arc, right? So जहाँ से भी arc लगाए, suppose here from here starting, so this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree. You know this is 0 degree, this is 180 degree. ठीक है? 0, 60, 90, 120, 180 in such a manner, right? 90 डिग्री कैसे बनाना है स्टूडेंट? एक रखना है 60 पे और एक 120 पे, so straight, so this is 90 डिग्री. नो, अब 90 डिग्री का हाफ अगर हमें 75 बनाना है, so 75, एक 60 पे और एक 90 पे, so that middle will be 75. So 60 we have made, this is 90, 90 you have made. So this is 75 degree, student. Got? 120, this is your 120. No? अब 90 और 120 के बीच में, means using 90 और 120, what angle you can make? 105. एक 90 पे रख के और एक 120 पे रख के, if you will make this is 105 degree. Got, student? Now 30 degree, एक 0 पे और एक 60 पे, so that would be 30 degree. Got, student? So always आपको कौन सा एंगल बनाने के लिए, which angle you require, this is only important, and I hope that these all types of questions, these all type of angle how to make with the help of compass, you well know, and but I have taken just a small recapitulation about this, okay, because our further exercises on the base of these angles also. Right, student? So this is all about our introduction part. Now quickly start our exercise question, exercise 4.3. Now student, today we will do third type of quadrilateral, in which we have been given in the question two sides, two length of the side and three angles. In last two types of question we have done if 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal, and if 3 sides of length is given and 2 diagonals, then how to make an quadrilateral, how to make a quadrilateral. No? Now the third type is when 2 sides are given to you and 3 angles. Okay, in this question we will do the angles based question. So the question number 1 of exercise 4.3 is construct the quadrilateral, and one quadrilateral is given to you MORE, and see 2 sides. First of all, what we will do? A rough figure. Fine. Name is MORE. The length is MO 6 cm, OR 4.5 cm. Angle M 60 degree, angle O and one angle R is being given to you. 3 angles and 2 sides. Now see students, here what length should we take as a baseline? This only, because here is no diagonal is being given to you. So baseline first of all. So first of all, make a baseline MO. The length is 6 cm. Next step, एंगल M पे क्या एंगल बढ़ 60 degree. I told you how to make 60 degree. Very simple. So let's start with the help of compass. पहले एक arc लगाओ student. Fine. So ये आपने लगाया. So this is 60 degree. What student? No need to do 120 or 90 because हमें सिर्फ 60 degree चाहिए. Fine student. Angle M हो गया. Now इस पे क्या पॉइंट ले? अभी कुछ भी लेंथ नहीं गिवन है हमें. Fine. Now angle O पे आते हैं. O पे we have 105 degree. Student please do very sincerely and very means angle O. First of all you will make an arc at angle O. Fine. Then 120. So this is 60. This is 120 because angle is measuring from here 0 degree and 180. So this is 120. तो 105 के लिए one angle is required, that is 90. So एक 60 पे और एक 120 पे. So this is 90 degree. Dotted I am sharing this. हमें चाहिए 105. So एक 90 पे here और एक 120 पे. So I am making with a solid. This is 105 degree. Got student? So this is 105. अब क्या करें? अब हमारे पास O के बाद क्या पॉइंट है? R पॉइंट है. एंड O से R का लेंथ कितना है? 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो ओपन अ कंपास 4.5 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ एंड O पे रख के एक आर्क लगाएंगे. सो दिस इज R पॉइंट. गॉट स्टूडेंट? अब हमें चाहिए E पॉइंट एंड वी डोंट हैव E पॉइंट. वी डोंट हैव दिस लेंथ आल्सो. तो बट एंगल R तो गिवन है. सो एंगल R इज 105 डिग्री. अगेन जो स्टेप आपने O पे किए हैं वही R पे करोगे. क्या करोगे? कॉपी थोड़ा टिल्ट कर दोगे क्योंकि अब बेस लाइन आपकी OR है. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट स्टूडेंट? बट द स्टेप्स आर सेम. थोड़ा सा क्या होच-पोच हो जाता है पर समझ के करोगे इट विल बी वेरी इजी. अब R पे बनाना है तो पहले R पे एक थोड़ी कॉपी को टिल्ट कर लोगे अपने हिसाब से लाइक दिस. देन एक आर्क लगाओगे 60, 120 इसके ऊपर रखोगे. दिस इज 90 डिग्री स्टूडेंट. नो हमें चाहिए 105. ये एक 90 पे रखा और एक 125 पे ये आर्क लगाई. सो दिस इज, इसको एक्सटेंड करोगे. दिस इज 105 डिग्री. अब देखो स्टूडेंट जो एंगल M आप एक्सटेंड करोगे एंगल R तो ये कहीं पे मीट करेंगे. जहां पे मीट करेंगे दैट इज पॉइंट E. गॉट? क्योंकि हमें लेंथ मिल जाएगी बिकॉज 105 इसको हमने एक्सटेंड किया. M पे हमने 60 डिग्री बनाया था दैट वी हैव एक्सटेंडेड. ये दो लाइंस कहीं इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. जहां भी इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी दैट इज E पॉइंट. वेरी सिंपल. सो वी गॉट अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल MORE. पर जो आप फिगर बनाओगे मे बी this that will be different from this because here I am not making with the help of proper measurement, but आप proper measurement के साथ बनाओगे. Right student? So again I am explaining you baseline. जो instructions आपको given है that you have to follow. That's it. Nothing else. OR की length given थी 4.5. Open an arc 4.5 length लगाई. वो आपका R point आ गया because intersection point से. R point पे क्या है? 105 डिग्री एंगल. You know how to make an 105 degree angle? उसे प्रिपेयर करो R point पे. That's it. Then extend it. R पे obvious बनाया था, M पे बनाया था, extend it. MORE. Got student? I hope you understood. You need to see the instruction and just follow the instruction. Nothing else. Okay? So this is all about first part of question number 1. Now coming to our second part. Now student, coming to second part, again we have one quadrilateral PLAN and the length and angles are being given to you. So first step, make a rough figure. So rough figure, the name is PLAN. PL 4 centimeter, L is 6.5 centimeter, angle P is given to, A is given to, and angle N is given to. Angle L is missing. So let's start with the compass. So first of all, one baseline, that is PL 4 centimeter. Okay, now angle P 90 degree. You know how to make, very simple. So make an arc first. So this is 60, this is 120. So 60 पे रख के first एक one arc and एक 120 पे रख के, so this is 90 degree. Got student? Now angle L is not given to you. N यहाँ पे होगा, A यहाँ पे होगा, but again length nothing is given to you. So अब क्या करेंगे? कुछ भी नहीं कि मैंने स्टार्ट कहीं पे भी एन तो नहीं ले सकते, कुछ इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट होना चाहिए, और कहीं पे भी ए नहीं ले सकते हैं, है ना। ए की लेंथ तो पता है 6.5, बट एल से किस बेस पे लेंगे, राइट। एल पे भी तो कुछ होना चाहिए, सो कुछ इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट होना चाहिए ना। एक आपको पता है कहीं पे भी कुछ इंटरसेक्ट होगा तो वहां पे हम कोई पॉइंट एग्जिस्ट कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज ऐसे ही नहीं, है ना। सो एंगल एल, so this is a quadrilateral. Three angles are given to you. Angle L we can find out easily. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Right students? So let's quickly take out the angle for L. Angle P is 90 degree plus A 110 plus N is 85 and angle L is we don't know, and the four angle sum would be 360 degree in the quadrilateral. We have done in previous chapter, chapter 3. So angle L plus 85, that is 285 degree, is equals to 360 degree. So angle L would be 360 minus 285. So when we subtract it, we got 5 and 7. Angle N is equals to 75 degree. So we found angle L 75 degree. Very simple. 90 we know. So 60 और 90 के बीच का angle is 75. Yes student. So angle L, make an arc 60, then 120. Middle का angle is 90 degree student. Now 75. One is 60 and one is a 90. So this will be 75 डिग्री। बट अब n पॉइंट यहाँ पे a पॉइंट होगा l के ऊपर, l a है, l a लेंथ इज 6.5 सेंटीमीटर। सो ओपन एन आर्क 6.5 एंड देन मेक एन आर्क ऑफ 6.5। दिस पॉइंट इज a। इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट हुआ ना, एक लाइन l की और एक a की, इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट हुआ। नाउ दिस व्हेन यू विल join with this, because and this is arc है ना, arc है ये, तो इसको extend करोगे, so this 90 degree की line और ये a की line will intersect at any point, that will be point N. Got student? Very simple. So देखो हमें ना तो एंगल a बनाने की जरूरत पड़ी और ना ही एंगल N. Why? Because ये दो जो एंगल है, this we take as a help for taking out the angle L. सो ऐसे होता है, जरूरी नहीं है वो यूज हो भी सकता है स्टूडेंट। और अगर आपका ये सेम है, करेक्ट बना है, सो यू विल मेजर फ्रॉम हियर एंगल ए वुड बी आपका 110 ही आएगा, और अगर एन यू आप मेजर करोगे तो ये 85 ही आएगा, अगर आपकी मेजरमेंट करेक्ट है तो। राइट स्टूडेंट? वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन इट इज। गॉट? सो दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट. Nothing is there, again I'm saying just follow the instruction, that's it student. Fine. So this is second part. Now coming to third part. Now coming to third part, parallelogram. You have to make a quadrilateral. That quadrilateral is parallelogram. HEAR. Things is given to you. First of all, rough figure. HEAR. HE 5 centimeter. EA 6 centimeter, and one angle only, that is 85 is given to you. Now parallelogram है ये. Parallelogram की property, opposite sides are same and equal, so it would be also 6 centimeter. HE 5 है तो RA also will be 5 centimeter. Okay, and opposite angles are also equal. Angle R is 85, so angle E be 85. Okay, first of all complete your rough figure. Then start to make a quadrilateral. Now it's a complete rough figure now. Now start to make a quadrilateral. First of all base H E and the length is 5 centimeter. H पे student कोई एंगल नहीं है. E पे one angle is 85 degree. And as you know 85 degree we can't make with the help of compass. तो कैसे बनाओगे? प्रोटेक्टर. जो डी शेप पे प्रोटेक्टर होता है. सो इट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्रोटेक्टर इट्स वेरी सिंपल. बेस 0 पॉइंट को यहाँ पे रखो, जो मिडल लाइन बेस लाइन होती है 85 कहीं पे भी आएगा. सपोज ये स्ट्रेट एंगल 95, सो इट वुड बी इन सच अ मैनर, है ना, क्योंकि स्ट्रेट होगा तो वो 90 होगा. 90 से नीचे में 5 पॉइंट नीचे, दिस इज 85. अब एच भी नहीं पता, एंगल कुछ नहीं पता, बट ई को कंप्लीट करते हैं. ई ए, हियर इज ए, लेंथ इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओपन एन आर्क, सो ये 6 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पे क्या आ गया पॉइंट ए. नाउ स्टूडेंट सी, हमें आर और एच पे, यहाँ पे आर होना चाहिए. यू नो दिस लेंथ, वी नो एच ए आर कितनी है 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो ओपन ए कंपास, हमने एक आर्क लगाई 5 सेंटीमीटर. मैंने क्या कहा था, इंटरसेक्शन होना जरूरी है. ये तो सिंगल है. सेकंड इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट विल टेक फ्रॉम एच. एज यू नो एच आर इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो ओपन एंड कंपास 6 सेंटीमीटर, ये कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे. कट दैट प्रीवियस आर्क. सो दिस intersection point is point R. Now join it with this and with H. So H E A R. Got student? Fine. ये मेरा जो है करेक्ट नहीं हो सकता है because I am not making with the help of a perfect calculation or you can say measurement. But in your notebook it will come in a proper measurement, proper figure. And this is very simple student. God, जो भी हमारे पास given condition थी, we have made this. Very simple. So this is all about third part. Now coming to our fourth question, rectangle OKAY and the length is given to you. See, first of all, rough figure. Two length only given to you. That is OKAY. OK is 7 centimeter and KA is 5 centimeter. Now what you will do? Properties of rectangle, right? So this y also will be 5 centimeter and y is 7 centimeter. And as you know, rectangle it is, so every angle is of 90 degree only. Fine. So this question is very simple. Every condition is being given to you. So this question you will do by on. This is the homework for you student. Although I have discussed over here. Baseline angle, both angle are given to you 90 degree, as you know, and length is also given to you. O से Y and K से A. Intersection point easily you will get, and that easily you will get a rectangle shape quadrilateral. Right students? So this is very simple as we have done in third part. So this question you will do by your own. Right? So this is all about our exercise 4.3. Now coming to our next exercise. Now coming to our question number 1 of exercise 4.4. Student, the now fourth method type of question is, but the basics steps are same. But the type is if 3 length of the sides are being given to you and 2 angles. Okay? So but the steps are just simple only. जो आपको given है, you just follow the steps. Ultimately you will get a required quadrilateral. Right? So first part, let's start. You have a quadrilateral. Okay, condition is being given to you. So first of all, make a rough figure. So you have DEAR, a quadrilateral. Okay, DE is 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, AR 4.5 centimeter. One angle E is given to you, one angle A is given to you. An angle is 60 and 90 degree, which is very simple to make. Right? So let's start with the baseline first. So DE is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now next condition, D. Angle is not there. Now angle E is given to you, that is 60 degree. So you know, make an arc. This is 60 degree student. Okay. So make 60 degree angle. Right? Now E के बाद A point is there. Now EA length is given to you 5 centimeter. So E पे रख के make an arc of 5 centimeter. This is point A. Now we have EA. Got student? Now in A there is an angle 90 degree. So A को आप point मान के make an arc. This is 60, 120. You know how to make 90? 60 पे रख के 90 पे रख के. So this is 90 degree. Right? Now A पे AR is given to you, that is 4.5. So make open and compass 4.5 centimeter. Make a arc. So this point is what? R point. This point is R point. Now join it with D. So we got DEAR required quadrilateral. Right student, have you seen? It's very simple. You just make a rough figure and just follow the steps which is given to you in the equation. That's it. Okay. So this is all about question number 1, the first part. Now moving towards second part. Now coming to our second part. Again see, one quadrilateral is being given to you. The name is TRUE. Fine. Now TR is student 3.5 centimeter. RU 3 centimeter. UE 4 centimeter. Angle R 75 degree and angle U 120 degree. As you can see student, this question is just similar to our previous one question. Part 1. 3 side and these two angles are given, was given to you in the previous question also. Right? Have you seen? But angle different है. वहाँ पे 60 और 90 degree का angle था and here we have angle are 75 and 120. You know 75 के लिए 60 डिग्री और 90 डिग्री के बीच का एंगल इज 75. That's it. 120 you know 60 and that second one angle is 120 only, right? So base angle is TR 3.5 centimeter. Angle R 75. So 60, 120. यहाँ पे 90 student. Very simple. So एक 60 पे रख के एक 90 पे रख के. So here would be this is 75. RU 3 centimeter का arc लगाया. This point is U. U point पे हमने 120 degree. Very simple. Make an arc. This is 60. This is 120. So extend it. 120 पर EU. UE यहाँ पे E point होगा but at the distance of 4 centimeter. Open the compass. 4 centimeter. Make an arc. So ये जो होगी point that is E. Now join with T. We got the quadrilateral TRUE. Have you seen student, the question are just very simple and interesting only. Need to focus on the given question. That's it. Now the last exercise 4.5 student, this is just a combination of all the types questions which we have done. 3 side, 2 diagonal, 4 side, 1 diagonal, 2 side, 3 angle, right? But आपने ये नहीं देखना किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. You need to see what condition is being given to you. That's it. Okay student. Now coming to our last exercise, exercise 4.5. Now student, the last exercise of this chapter, that is 4.5. You will think that ma'am has done 3 exercises, but as you can see student, the questions are very simple, and second thing, they have very few number of questions in one exercise. All the questions are just same kind. Okay, so that is why. So now moving forward 4.5, question number 1. Here again you have to make a square, READ. Right, with RE is equals to 5.1 centimeter. So question पढ़ते ही you understood one length is given to you, all length are same. Angle is not given to you. It means yes, angles is all the angles are 90 degrees. So very simple student. So as you if you make one rough figure READ, so it's very simple. No. 5.1. So this is also 5.1, 5.5, 90 degree, 90 degree. And it's very simple to make also. How? Base RE, length is 4.1 centimeter. Now here one, अगर आप एक स्टूडेंट आर्क लगा भी देते हो 4.1 लेंथ के, पर इसको कट तो नहीं कर रहा. कट करने के लिए one more length, one more line you need. इंटरसेक्शन के लिए है ना. सो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज फॉर द एंगल 1. 90 डिग्री एंगल बनाओगे ये पॉइंट पे. दिस इज 90 डिग्री. तो जब ये बनेगा ये कट होगा. देखा स्टूडेंट. सो दिस पॉइंट इज ए और आपको पता लगेगा ये लेंथ इज ओनली 4.1. बट अगर नहीं पता, यू नो स्टूडेंट, दिस ई पॉइंट पे रख के 4.1 का लेंथ लगाओगे, which will that is only 4.1. Fine. ऐसी R पे you will make one angle 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. R point पे रख के एक आर्क लगाई 5.1 की. So this is point D. So D और A को join करेगो READ. We got one square. Very simple, student, and it is very interesting also to do. Okay, now coming to third part. I'm not doing second part right now. पहले same type की question will be discussed. तो आपको easy होंगी understand करने के लिए. Okay, now what we have rectangle. अब again rectangle given है, दो length given हो तो opposite sides are same and angles is already you know 90 degree. So this is just same kind. पहले देख लेते हैं condition क्या given है. Length 4.7 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So make an angle. Rectangle. Name is not given to you, so you will write down A, B, C, D. Which will ले लीजिए student. One length is 55 centimeter and the breadth is 4 centimeter. As you can see, length हमेशा बड़ी होती है as compared to breadth, right? So opposite sides are same. Fine. Angle is 90 degree only, right? So you can easily make it. Right, student? I hope you are understanding the questions. These are very simple. So this question, can you solve it by your own? This is a homework for you. Only two questions until now I have given in a homework. This question, and have you seen all the questions are just similar only. Right, student? Now coming to our second and fourth part of this exercise. Then coming to our third part. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.2 centimeter long. Diagonals are being given to you. See, the same type of question we have done in 4.2 last question, I think so. So, first of all, make a rhombus. Fine. So, diagonals are given to you because the name is A, B, C, D. Diagonals is given to you. So, diagonal B to D and A to C. Right, student? Suppose this is AC 5.2 centimeter and this is DB which is 6.2 centimeter. Not anything you can take, but the matter is just same only. अब देखो स्टूडेंट, सिर्फ डायगोनल्स गिवन है, आपको कोई लेंथ नहीं गिवन है. So what will do? What will do? First of all, diagonal. Take a diagonal as a baseline. AC how much? 5.2 centimeter. अब A पे आपको ना तो कोई एंगल गिवन है, ना ही C पे कोई एंगल गिवन है और ना ही इनकी कोई लेंथ गिवन है. So what will do, student? Yes, according to property of rhombus, the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisected. Right? So you know how to make perpendicular bisected. Open an arc, this more than half you can say, and एक arc ऊपर, एक arc नीचे. And the same way at point C, you just cut the arc up and down. So this is called the perpendicular bisector. Fine. Now, what will do? This is perpendicular bisector. Now, student, suppose ये cut जो midpoint से करे, that is O. This is O is perpendicular bisector. We have point D and point B. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कोई D है, यहाँ पे B है, but at what distance? They have equal length. Bisect this angle, this length and this length will be same. OD will be equal to OB, right? पर पूरी DB कितनी है student? Yes, 6.2. So 6.2 full है, so उसकी half क्या होगी? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 3.1. So open an arc of the compass 3.1. O पे रख के cut the arc and cut the down also. Why? Because the length is just same only. Fine. So this is point D and this is point B. Now join with A, join with C, and from down also join with A, join with C. Now this is a required rhombus. Right, friend? I told you this exercise is just a combination of all the types of question. Okay, so it's kind of a revision exercise, as you can say also. Fine. Now this is third part, which is very simple. Already we have done. Now last part of this question we'll do. Student, the last part of this exercise. Okay, the question is a parallelogram. You have OKAY, where OK length is given to you and KA length is given to you. So first of all, a rough figure. Parallelogram OKAY. OK is 5.5 centimeter and KA is 4.2 centimeter. So since it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are same, right? Now have you seen student, no diagonal is given to you and no angles are being given to you. It's okay, but we will make. So first of all, baseline 5.5 centimeter. Okay. अब स्टूडेंट what will do? Length तो given है, but intersection के लिए second one line. How will take out that one line? Just see carefully. Okay, no angle is given to you. और ये rectangle या square नहीं है. The angle is 90 degree. No. So what you will do? See student, it is a parallelogram. तो parallelogram, two lines we will make parallel lines. अगर हम ये दो parallel lines बना लें तो easily length लेके हम intersection point निकाल सकते हैं, right? I know you are feeling you are getting a little bit confused, but I am telling you. But student, parallel lines जैसे condition होती है for a perpendicular bisector. क्या condition होती है? Take an upper an arc, means more than half length की, and then make an upside and downside one arc, and in the same manner from the second point also, right? But how to make parallel lines? There is also one basic. You can make a parallel line with the help of compass. How? Just listen these steps carefully. First of all, make an arc. compass की बात करें तो arc तो बनाओगे student, and extend this line little bit. ठीक है? Make an arc, and from K also make an arc. अब K point पे रख के you just cut the arc. ये जो आप normal arc लगाते हो. Fine. Now listen carefully. Just open an arc यहाँ से यहाँ तक, मतलब इतनी length की open an arc. Exact this much length. And that open arc you keep over here, क्योंकि आपने यहाँ से start किया था तो आपने भी यहीं से start करना है. You keep here and then make an arc. क्यों? क्योंकि स्टूडेंट पैरेलल लाइंस मतलब वो दोनों पैरेलल होनी चाहिए, और जितनी अब ये लेंथ है आपकी इतनी ही ये भी लेंथ होगी, है ना? तभी तो डिस्टेंस अगर दोनों का सेम होगा तभी वो पैरेलल लाइंस बनेंगी, राइट स्टूडेंट? तो पहले आपने यू जस्ट मेक एन नॉर्मल आर्क, तो उसके बाद पॉइंट पे रख के दिस वन आर्क, जितनी लेंथ ये है उतनी ही लेंथ की आपने यहाँ से एक आर्क लगानी है, उतनी ही लेंथ की. देन व्हाट इज दिस? यू ओ पॉइंट पे रख के एक्सटेंड द लाइन, ऐसे ही के पे रख के एक्सटेंड द लाइन. अब देखो ये पैरेलल लाइंस बन गई स्टूडेंट, राइट? गॉट हाउ टू मेक एन पैरेलल लाइन? नाउ इट्स वेरी सिंपल. ओ के ऊपर ए बनेगा आपका पॉइंट. अब वो कहाँ बनेगा? एट डिस्टेंस ऑफ 4.2. सो ओपन द कंपास 4.2, कट द आर्क, दिस इज पॉइंट ए. इन द सेम मैनर ओ पॉइंट पे रख के 4.2, कट द आर्क, दिस इज पॉइंट 1. नाउ जॉइन दीज 2 points. So this is a parallelogram, required parallelogram. Got student? So this is a basic how to make parallel lines. ठीक है? जितनी ही लेंथ की आपने ये आर्क लगाई है उतनी ही लेंथ की आपको इस साइड पे आर्क लगानी है. क्या यू कैन सी? जितनी साइड की यहाँ पे आर्क लगी उतनी साइड की यहाँ पे आर्क लगानी है आपको, सेम लेंथ की. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? एंड देन फ्रॉम दैट पॉइंट यू जस्ट ड्रॉ अ लाइन. वेरी सिंपल स्टूडेंट. So this is all about our exercise 4.5 in our chapter number 4. I hope you all understood the question. Since student you have any problem, you may ask to me, you may ask to your subject teacher. These questions are just simple only. But sometimes क्या होता है, condition अगर नहीं given है आपको तो you use the properties of the required quadrilateral. मोस्टली आपको गिवन होगी, बट कभी अगर गिवन नहीं है तो यूज द प्रॉपर्टीज, एंड जब जैसे आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहोगे इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू, अंडरस्टैंडेबल टू यू कि हमें कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज करनी है. दैट्स इट. ओके, सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. प्लीज रिवाइज इट, डू इट वेरी नाइसली. ओके, सो टिल देन थैंक यू सो मच एंड बाय बाय, टेक केयर.